Hey everyone, welcome back to the Jay and May English Podcast.
Today we are talking about something huge, AI and 2026.
And I mean huge. Like, this is happening right now, in your phone, in your school, in your job.
Honestly, when I first heard AI, I thought robots, like from the movies.
Everyone thinks that at first.
But it is so much more than that, right?
So much more. And today, we're going to break it all down in simple English, no big words, no stress.
Perfect, because I have so many questions.
And I have answers. Maybe.
Okay, so Mr. J, why should we even care about AI? Like, why today? Why 2026?
Great question. Think about the last time you used Google Maps or got a video recommendation on YouTube.
Yeah, literally every day.
That is AI. It is already in your life. You are already using it.
Wait, seriously? I thought AI was something new and complicated.
That is the big surprise. AI is not new to your life. It's just getting bigger and more powerful now.
Okay, that actually makes me feel better, less scary already.
Right? And here's why 2026 is special. We're moving from AI is cool and exciting to AI is real and changing things.
Like real? Like jobs and school and everything?
Jobs, school, hospitals, government, everything. 2026 is the year the world is asking, okay, AI, show us what you can actually do.
And can it? Like, is it delivering?
Some parts yes, some parts still figuring it out. And that's exactly what makes this conversation interesting.
I love that. Okay, before we go deeper, if you're new here, subscribe to the Jay and May English Podcast.
We drop weekly episodes to help you improve your English fluency naturally, like a real conversation, not a textbook.
Exactly. Okay, Mr. J, let's start simple. What is AI in the most basic way possible?
Okay, imagine you have a very smart assistant. Not human, but it learned from billions of human examples.
Like, it studied us?
Exactly. It read books, articles, conversations, pictures, millions and millions of them.
So it learned from humans, but it's not human.
Perfect. And now it can do things like write, answer questions, translate languages, even recognize your face.
That's actually kind of amazing and kind of creepy at the same time.
Both feelings are correct. Both are totally valid.
Okay, so here's something I always wondered. Is AI the same as a robot?
Oh, this is a great one. No, not the same.
Really? Because in movies they always look like robots.
A robot is the physical body, the machine you can touch. AI is the brain, the thinking part.
Oh, so a robot with AI is like a body with a brain, but AI alone is just the brain floating somewhere?
Yes, that is a perfect way to say it. The brain floating in a computer.
Okay, I love that. So most AI we use every day has no body at all.
Exactly. Chatbots, translation apps, recommendation systems, no body, just intelligence.
Wait, chatbots. I use one to practice my English, actually.
And that is one of the coolest uses of AI for language learners right now.
Is it actually helpful, though? Like, really helpful?
Here's what the data says. AI tutors and chatbots in 2026 can personalize your learning.
Personalize? You mean like made for me specifically?
Yes, it sees your mistakes, your weak points, and gives you practice based on that.
That's so different from a textbook that's the same for everyone.
Exactly. A textbook doesn't know you. AI can learn you.
Okay, wait, here's the best part. So AI is basically a personal English coach that never gets tired?
Never tired, never bored, available at 3 in the morning.
Honestly, that sounds perfect for me because I always want to study at weird hours.
Most learners do, and this is why AI in education is growing so fast in 2026.
Okay, let's talk about the scary stuff though, because I know people are worried.
Yes, let's go there. What worries you most, May?
Honestly, jobs. Like, will AI take everyone's jobs?
This is probably the #1 question in 2026, and the honest answer is it's complicated.
Complicated how?
AI is replacing some tasks, not whole jobs, but specific tasks, like sorting data, writing simple reports, answering basic customer questions.
So the boring, repetitive stuff?
Mostly yes, but here is the thing. When one task disappears, new tasks appear.
Like, what kind of new tasks?
Checking AI's work, prompting AI correctly, managing AI tools, thinking creatively, things AI cannot do well yet.
Oh, interesting. So the creative and critical thinking stuff is still very human.
Very human, and actually more valuable now because AI handles the routine.
This changed everything for me, honestly. I always thought AI comes in, humans leave.
That's the myth. The reality is more like AI comes in, your job changes, you need new skills.
So the advice is learn to work with AI, not fight against it.
Perfectly said. That is exactly the mindset for 2026.
Okay, I need to ask about something I keep hearing deepfakes, because that word sounds terrifying.
It does sound scary, and it is a serious topic.
What even is a deepfake?
A deepfake is a video or audio that AI creates. It looks and sounds real, but it is completely fake.
Like someone's face on another person's body?
Yes, or making someone appear to say something they never said.
That's actually dangerous. People could believe it.
That's exactly the problem. And in 2026, governments are working hard to make regulations, rules around this.
Regulations. Okay, so like laws specifically for AI?
Yes, countries around the world, the US, China, European countries, all creating new rules for AI safety.
Is it working? Like, are the rules actually helping?
Honestly, it's early days. The technology moves faster than the laws.
That sounds like a problem.
It is, but the fact that governments are even having these conversations is progress.
Okay, so I also want to talk about something more everyday, like AI in podcasts.
Very meta. Yes, AI is huge in podcast production in 2026.
How? Like, what does it actually do?
Editing audio, removing background noise, generating transcripts, even helping with scripting and analytics.
Analytics, you mean like who's listening and what they like?
Exactly. AI can show a podcaster, your listeners stop here. They love this part. Try more of this.
That is wild. So AI is like a silent partner behind the scenes of most shows now.
Most professional shows, yes. A silent partner that never asks for credit.
The most low maintenance partner ever.
But also, this is important, the human voice, the human story, the human connection, AI cannot replace that.
That's actually kind of beautiful. Like the warmth is still ours.
Always. That's why people still listen to human hosts, human conversations.
Okay, let's talk about data privacy, because I feel like this is something people ignore.
Yes, and they should not ignore it. This is one of the biggest issues in 2026.
Data privacy, so like AI using my personal information?
Exactly. Every time you use an AI tool, it may be collecting data about you, your habits, your preferences, your words.
That sounds like a lot.
It is. And the question is, who owns that data? What are they doing with it?
And do we even know?
Often not fully. This is why reading privacy policies matters. I know, boring.
Very boring, but important.
Very important. One tip, use AI tools from companies with clear, transparent privacy rules.
How do I even know which ones those are?
Look for companies that tell you exactly what data they collect, how long they keep it, and if they share it.
Okay, that's actually a useful tip. I never thought to check that.
Most people don't, and that's how companies quietly collect more than people realize.
Okay, I want to do something fun. Let us go through the key words from today really fast.
Love it. Hit me.
Artificial intelligence.
Machines that can do smart tasks, reading, writing, deciding, using data.
Automation.
When a machine does a task that a human used to do. Simple, repetitive tasks especially.
Chatbot.
A program you can talk to, type or speak, and it responds like a person.
Algorithm.
The set of rules AI follows to make decisions, like which video to show you next.
Bias.
When AI makes unfair decisions because its training data was not fair or balanced.
Deepfake.
Fake videos or audio made by AI that look or sound completely real.
Regulation.
Governments make rules to control how AI can and cannot be used.
Data privacy.
Your right to control your personal information and who can access or use it.
Future of work.
How jobs and skills are changing because of AI and automation.
And AI-powered tools.
Apps or software that use AI inside them to help you work, learn, or create faster.
Okay, I feel like my brain just leveled up.
That is the goal every episode.
All right, lightbulb moment time. Let me tell you what I actually understood today.
Go for it.
So, AI is not robots from movies. It's already in my daily life. Maps, recommendations, chatbots.
Perfect start.
And in 2026, it's getting more serious, moving from, wow, cool, to, okay, this is real life now.
Exactly right.
Jobs are changing, not disappearing completely, but changing. So I need to learn new skills, especially creative and critical thinking.
You got it.
Deepfakes are a real danger, and governments are trying to make rules, but the laws are still catching up to the technology.
Very well said.
And AI is a tool, a powerful tool, but the human part, the warmth, the creativity, the connection, that is still ours.
May, honestly, that was better than most explanations I have heard.
Maybe I should be the teacher.
Do not get too confident.
Okay, before we close, we always love to hear from you. So here's today's question.
What is one thing in your daily life that you now realize uses AI?
Tell us in the comments. We really read them, and sometimes we use your answers in future episodes.
And if today's episode helped your English or gave you something to think about,
share it with one friend. That's how we grow this community.
thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
Keep learning, keep curious, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.
See you next time.